Welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Uncharted Legacy of Thieves Collection Gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on Power and then select Restart. This will restart your PC. After that, log in to the game and check if Gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, first you have to connect your PC and controller. After that, you have to go to the Windows search for Device Manager. Here you have to expand Human Interface Devices. Select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check if the controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller and here select enable Steam input and then check whether controller is working or not. If this doesn't work, again come back, select disable Steam input and now check if it's working. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, click on verify integrity of game files. This will check and verify the game files after the launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. Many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best way to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. Now here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates and wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available and after updating your Windows, now log into the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Some other troubleshooting tips to follow: clear cache on Steam. So go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache. Beside clear download cache, this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You'll need to log into Steam, confirm it, log into Steam once again and after that log into the game and check whether the controller is working or not. If not, next is to if you are using wired plug for a controller, then you are suggested to unplug and replug it once. Hopefully this will work for you. Next is to use big picture mode for the game. So after going to Steam, select your game under library section and here in the above section you can see big picture mode. You simply have to click on it, wait for some time. After entering big picture mode, you have to play the game and once you play the game, again exit big picture mode and after that log in to the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So these few suggested solutions will surely help to fix Uncharted Legacy of Thieves Collection game controller or gamepad not working problem. So that's all for in this video. Thank you.